Hello guys, today we're going to learn a little bit more about present perfect tense, but today we're going to use it with seems and for. Let's start. We have to remember that the present perfect tense has the next or the following structure, that is I, you, they, and we use have. And remember that for a third person, that is he, she, and it, we use has plus the past participle verb, that is in this case lived. So the sentence says, I have lived here. So today we're going to learn to use for and seems. We have these examples. They have lived here for 15 years. Or she has lived here since 1991. So what is the difference when we note how we know that we are going to use for and seems? Let's pay attention to the next rules. For and seems. This is the structure for the present perfect. Subject plus has or have plus past participle. So we use for, guys, for a duration of time. For example, I've been waiting for half an hour. And we use seems for a point in time. Example, I have been waiting since 6 o'clock. Okay, so usamos por una duración del tiempo, de cierto tiempo. Y since en un punto específico en el tiempo. Es for, por, and since, desde. Yo he estado esperando por media hora. O yo he estado esperando desde las 6 en punto. So let's continue. Here we have the past participles verbs. Let's see how to learn them, guys. It's very important that you learn some of the main verbs. Here we have some of them. We have play. What is the past participle play? Played. Live, lived. Study, studied. Cook, cooked. Listen, listened. Work, worked. Try, tried. Remember, for some regular verbs, the past participle is the same that in past. So, for the regular verbs, it changes. We have here some examples. Eat, the past participle is eaten. Write, written. Sleep, slept. Speak, spoken. Buy, bought. And drive, driven. So let's practice. Here we have Shayla is exhausted. She's been singing non-stop 3 hours. So, ella está cansada, está exhausta. Ha estado cantando sin parar 3 horas. So, we're going to use here for or seems. Ella ha estado cantando sin parar desde 3 horas o por 3 horas. How to remember the rules. Exactly is for. Very good. Now let's see these examples. She's been working in the same company 11 years. For 11 years or since 11 years? For. Very good. They've been married since last spring or for last spring. This is last spring. This is a specific point in the time, so we have to use seems. They've had their dose for 2001 or since 2001. 2001 is a specific point in the time, so we use seems. She's tired because she's been driving since this morning or for this morning. This morning is a specific point in the time, so we have to use seems. Okay, guys, these are some examples of how do you have to use seems and for. I hope you have learned a little bit about this topic. So we're going to practice on the video class on this Saturday. Bye bye, guys.